Welcome. Today we're exploring a fascinating idea, a simple technique that promises to transform your life. Across the globe, countless people seek ways to enhance their personal growth and achieve more. What if I told you that amidst the myriad of complex systems and theories, there exists a straightforward technique that could usher in profound change in your life? This isn't about a magic formula, but a proven approach that enhances daily living and well-being. Let's dive into understanding this technique and how it has the power to significantly alter the course of our lives, steering us towards success and fulfillment. To fully appreciate the impact of this technique, we first need to grasp what a technique truly involves. And typically, a technique is a particular method considered to be significantly effective in accomplishing a specific task. This isn't just about random tips or tricks, but about structured, well thought out processes that are easy to implement and lead to measurable results. Why focus on simplicity? In our complex world, the simplest solutions often yield the best results, since they require less time and resources to implement, making them accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or lifestyle. The beauty of a simple technique lies in its universal applicability and the ease with which it can be integrated into daily routines. The effectiveness of simple techniques is well supported by both historical evidence and modern science. These methods have been refined through generations, distilled into forms that we can use today. They don't just work in theory, they have practical implications that have stood the test of time. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only the how, but also the why behind the technique's ability to transform your life, providing a clear path to personal enhancement that is both attainable and profoundly effective. Throughout history, various techniques have changed the lives of many. While today's focus remains on one transformative method, understanding the success of similar approaches in the past helps us appreciate the potential of simplicity. From ancient philosophers to modern-day entrepreneurs, simple techniques have often been the cornerstone of great achievements. These stories are not just tales of the past, but are proof that the right methods can lead to remarkable outcomes. What's intriguing is that despite the differences in context, the core principles of these techniques remain constant: simplicity, consistency, and a focus on fundamental human values. Now let's look into the specifics of the technique we're discussing today. This method involves three key steps: identification, implementation, and reflection. First, identification involves recognizing the areas in your life where change is desired or needed. This could be anything from improving physical health to enhancing mental well-being or even refining your daily productivity. Next is implementation, where you actively integrate this technique into your life. This step is all about action. It requires commitment and a willingness to experiment with changes in your routine. Remember, the goal is not immediate perfection, but gradual improvement. Reflection is crucial. This step allows you to look back at your experiences, understand what adjustments are beneficial, and recognize what aspects need more attention. It's about learning from each step of your journey, ensuring continuous improvement, and adapting the technique to better suit your evolving needs. Each of these steps forms a cycle that promotes ongoing development and fine-tuning. The simplicity of this technique lies not just in its steps, but in its adaptability, making it a powerful tool for personal transformation. Understanding the psychological impact of this technique sheds light on why it is so effective. Applying this method consistently can lead to significant improvements in mental clarity, stress reduction, and overall emotional resilience. These changes occur because the technique aligns with fundamental psychological principles such as positive reinforcement, the establishment of routine, and the enhancement of self-efficacy. When individuals notice improvements in their lives, even small ones, it boosts their confidence and motivates them to continue and expand on their efforts. This cyclical boost in morale and performance creates a positive feedback loop where success breeds more success, fundamentally changing one's approach to challenges and personal growth. While the core steps of the technique are straightforward, its true power lies in your ability to tailor it to your specific circumstances. Personalization is key to making any general method work effectively for you as an individual. Start by assessing your personal goals, strengths, and limitations. Adapt the steps of the technique to fit into your lifestyle and schedule. For example, if you're a morning person, dedicate time early in the day for implementation. If you reflect better in the evening, set aside time then to evaluate your progress and plan adjustments. Remember, the technique is a framework to guide you, but it is your personal touch that will turn it into a powerful catalyst for change in your life. As with any method that promises significant change, there are common challenges and misconceptions that can hinder progress. One frequent challenge is the expectation of immediate results. Change, especially meaningful and lasting change, takes time. It's important to set realistic expectations and understand that progress is often incremental. Another challenge is inconsistency. Skipping steps or not fully committing to each phase of the technique can dilute its effectiveness. To overcome these obstacles, consistency is crucial. Stick with the method, even on days when motivation wanes. There are several misconceptions surrounding personal development techniques. Some may believe that such methods only work for certain types of people, or that they require drastic changes to one's lifestyle. These beliefs can prevent individuals from even attempting to implement the technique. It's vital to recognize that this technique is designed to be flexible and accessible to everyone, regardless of their current situation or past experiences. Effectively integrating this technique into your daily life is key to experiencing its full benefits. Start small by incorporating elements of the technique into routines you already have in place. If the technique involves mindfulness or reflection, perhaps begin by integrating these practices into your morning or bedtime routine. If it involves physical activity, tie it to your existing workout schedule or during breaks in your workday. Sustainability is the goal. Choose integration points that feel natural and manageable. This approach reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed and increases the likelihood of forming lasting habits. Over time, these small adjustments become part of your daily life almost without effort. Remember, the integration phase is about finding what works best for you, adapting the technique to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, ensuring that it enhances rather than disrupts your existing habits and responsibilities. When you consistently apply this technique over time, the benefits extend far beyond the initial improvements. Long-term, this method fosters a stronger sense of self-awareness and a more proactive approach to life. As you become more attuned to the needs and rhythms of your body and mind, you can make more informed decisions that positively impact all areas of your life. This enhanced decision-making capability can lead to better health, improved relationships, and greater career success. This technique cultivates resilience. By regularly engaging in a process that involves self-assessment and adjustment, you build a robust ability to handle stress and unexpected challenges. Over time, what once seemed daunting becomes manageable, and you develop a toolkit of skills and responses that support sustained well-being and success. This resilience transforms not just how you tackle problems, but also how you perceive potential obstacles, often seeing them as opportunities for growth rather than barriers to success. While we wrap up our discussion on how this simple technique can change your life, remember that the journey of personal transformation is unique for each individual. This technique offers a framework, but it is your personal commitment and adaptation that will determine its effectiveness in your life. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. It's about taking those first steps, however small, and maintaining the momentum through consistent practice. Now, I encourage you to take this technique and make it your own. Experiment with the steps, adapt them to fit your needs, and observe the changes that unfold. Your journey could inspire someone else to start on their path of personal growth. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content. Together, let's accept the power of simple changes for a lifetime of positive transformation.